boosting up on my energy. I am an entity, I am an alien. You cannot fuck with me. Ferragamo on my designer, Italian code for the 20s. Dress for the sprint to the winter. Whenever you want me, I'm ready. Whenever you.
I thought you threw that.
Through what?
The camera.
Psych. Boy.
I'm gonna dap you up after this, cause this is the.
I'm not trying to hear that safety shit. Chris has been with us since the very beginning. And me and Danny have always played games on the computer.
Yeah,
and Chris has never been able to keep up. It's been how long? 15 years of Chris lagging and crashing and doing all types of weird shit. You're too big, bro. We're gonna build a computer for him, and we're just gonna leave it there, ready for the go. And then tonight we're gonna game with him.
Baby, come on up. I heard you got something in your cup. Cause I'm 3 shots deep.
And I ain't trying to sleep, but boy on, cause I'm ready.
That's a nice fucking
ITX case.
It's a nice case.
I know.
Let's layer it on and all.
Oh shit. We haven't got SSD either, how many ITX?
Just don't even say what we're looking for.
Apparently I can only read English.
There's no words there. It's pictures.
Something really not right. Something's on the edge. But we didn't even know how to put the goddamn CPU cooler on this bitch.
Billy.
You think we're gonna build a computer?
Billy.
I promise I've done it.
I think you're right though.
What? About which part? I said a lot of shit I didn't mean.
This one goes into these, bro. That's what that is.
Huh?
These longer ones go into these. These go on the board. That's why they look like that. E and D. D is a bolt.
So that go, ah?
I'm getting pissed.
Worst case scenario, we just set all his shit on fire.
I don't even got makeup on.
Why are you gonna try to screw something that's bigger than the hole?
Cause it's stupid. You can't tell. What is this?
Wait! Now it all makes sense.
What is this? I was right, dickhead. Look. Alright.
What?
I'm gonna bite it, bro.
Hey, bro, just don't fuck up your teeth. I don't care what you got.
Have you seen his teeth?
Your teeth. Alright, now you have 3 more.
I don't know if I can do 3 more.
Am I on the right side? So we have safety on your side. Stay fine.
That's all I was thinking.
You're welcome, Chris. We got you.
You're in good hands.
You're in my hands.
Close.
It's not gonna get here until like next Friday.
You'll be alright without a door. Though I'm only sorry that we didn't get it on camera, bro.
Nah, bro, cause now, you know how nice it was gonna look with the door? Now he doesn't have a door. That's one end. Shot, we can't close it yet.
Yeah, cause the door. But we alright. So we've put together the PC in a real professional manner. No hiccups, no broken anything, and we did it all in 30 minutes.
Where's the panel?
It's been 2 hours.
3. And we broke the panel. If this power button, hold on. If this power button doesn't work, I'm gonna hang myself.
I'm kidding.
An hour and 19 minutes to install everything. And that's a stretch. I wish we had 2.5 hours. This is random. I'm in the tank till I'm naked. You wanna naked?
Clothes on him.
Oh.
Alright, bro.
Not a bitch. Alright, y'all. Let me drive home safe. I gotta go back to work on my break.
Boy said I'm
You
on my
want me,
break.
I'm ready. Boosting up on my energy. I hope he's so I am an entity. I am an alien. You cannot fuck with me. Ferragamo on my designer. Italian code for the 20s. Dress for the sprint to the winter. Whenever you want me, I'm ready. Boosting up on my energy. I am an entity. I am an alien.
Porque por bendición de mira la playa y el sol me tocó a mí, esa ficha es mía. También.
fall over this fucking thing.
You don't want to bust your ass, basically.
Pretty much.
What do they say?
They're whistling at me.
Oh yeah, you're sexy, man.
I'm gonna try to.
Ah, you ignored everything I just said.
Yeah. Bruh. I caught it.
So as much as I absolutely hate to do this, from that point on, I got absolutely wasted. There was no way I was recording anything, and like all the shit I got was just like cinematic shots. Like I guess my brain was like, I'm out, and just the DP part of my brain stayed, which is annoying because it was on, all of it was shot on a GoPro, so it looks like fucking ass. But thank you guys for watching. I promise I will not forget to record next time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, tell me to fuck off. I don't know. Do something though. Interact. Let me know so I can, you know, so I can know. Catch you guys next time.